Dear students, welcome to our class on solar radiation bits basics 2. First one, reflection, absorption and transmission. Reflection, absorption and transmission. See, here a plant is there. I am showing it to you. What is happening is, as far as this particular leaf is concerned, usually the energy that is falling 75% is reflected by the crop. This bit will come. 10% is transmitted. So the remaining 15% is absorbed. Usually this happens. 75% reflected, 10% transmitted, 15%, 15% usually absorbed under unlimited water supply condition. This bit will come. Another two most common bits that appear in the net exam, interview or JRF SRF are, please note, the maxima for both reflection and transmission. The maxima for both reflection and transmission is in the green light as well as in the infrared region. This bit will come. Green and infrared maxima for both reflection and transmission. This is. Another thing is chlorophyll absorption. If you take this particular leaf, the chlorophyll absorption is maximum in the blue, 0.45 microns blue, and red regions particularly 0.65 microns. So these are the most common bits that you get it. Now, Earth versus solar radiation. That means factors affecting the solar radiation received on the Earth's surface. Quickly, I will tell 4 or 5 bits. The first one is the astronomical factors. What are the astronomical factors? ABC they will give. Astronomical factors are solar output, distance between Earth and the Sun, altitude of the Sun. Geographical factors, effect of atmosphere, effect of latitude, effect of aspect and slope, and length of the day. Now, see, in the factors affecting the distribution of solar radiation within the plant complex. Factors affecting the solar radiation distribution. Presume that this is the plant, the crop. Crop is there like this. 8 factors are there. Types of plants, angle of the leaves, chlorophyll content, arrangement of the leaves, angle of the leaves, plant density, plant height, angle of the sun. In this, 2 bits are most common. What are those? See, the leaves of cereal crops like paddy, wheat, etc. have a transmissivity from 5 to 10%. 5 to 10% is the bit. Of course, arrangement of the leaves, the relative light intensity intercepted by horizontal to erect foliage is 1:0.44. This bit will come. Of course, most important bit certain to appear is in full sunlight. In full sunlight, the optimum inclination for efficient light use is 81 degrees of the leaves. 81 degrees of the leaves means, if stem is like this, there should be 81 degrees and inclination. That bit is certain to appear in the JRF. Take this for granted. Now, here I would like to just discuss what is the radiation terminology. Radiation terminology, very, very interesting. Simple. The ratio between reflected to incident. Reflected to incident is known as reflectivity. If it is monochromatic beam, if it is a full solar spectrum, we call it as albedo. That means the ratio between the reflected to the incident radiation is known as albedo. It is also known as reflectivity when we take only monochromatic beam. Transmissivity, the ratio between the transmitted radiation to incident radiation. Transmissivity. Absorptivity, the ratio between the absorbed radiant energy to the incident energy, we call it as the absorptivity. Already we discussed about short wave and long wave radiations. Now, very, very interesting is that there is a term called as emissivity. Emissivity is not related to incident. It is related to the emitted energy of a leaf as compared to black body. This is what we call it as, The emissivity is compared with black body emission. Emissivity is always compared with black body. This bit will come. And the thing is, what is black body? Black body is a perfect absorber and perfect radiator. The radiant energy emitted by black body is known as black body radiation. Now, solar constant, very interesting. Solar constant, this bit will come. If you presume a square centimeter area in between the sun and the earth, the energy falling in 1 minute over that square centimeter area is known as the solar constant. The units of measurement of solar constant are Langley per minute or calories per centimeter square per minute. Langley means calories per centimeter square. In respect of Langley, that units are given. So these are the things that I would like to discuss you in the basics 2 of solar radiation. Thanking you very much. May God bless you.